Here's a new 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. Honda's flagship car isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy. And as a hybrid, the legacy includes a cleaner planet. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.